In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your sales on Facebook Marketplace. Selling online can be quite competitive, but with the right strategies, you can really stand out and boost your sales. Let's dive into some effective steps that can help you do just that. First, it's crucial to optimize your listings. This starts with using high quality photos. Make sure your pictures are clear and well lit, showcasing your items from multiple angles. Good visuals can really grab potential buyers' attention. Alongside these images, you'll want to write detailed descriptions, include everything a buyer might want to know: the brand, model, condition, size, color, and any additional features your product might have. Furthermore, it's important to use keywords. These are the terms potential buyers are likely to type in the search bar, so incorporating these into your descriptions can make your listings easier to find. Lastly, price your items competitively. Do a little research on similar listings and set a price that is attractive yet reasonable. Next, we need to leverage the algorithm. If you find that an item hasn't sold within 7 to 14 days, consider renewing or relisting it. This gives your item a fresh start and can boost its visibility. Posting frequently also helps, as active sellers often receive higher placements in the listings. If you're open to it, you can also consider boosting your listings with paid options, as these can instantly expand your reach. Building trust with your buyers is another fundamental step. Enabling seller ratings and encouraging your customers to leave positive reviews can significantly enhance your credibility. Also, be sure to respond quickly to messages. This responsiveness portrays you as a reliable seller, increasing buyer confidence. Most importantly, be honest about the condition of your products. Transparency will help prevent disputes and foster trust. Employing smart selling strategies can also aid in boosting your sales. Offering bundle deals where discounts are given to buyers purchasing multiple items can be quite attractive. Consider adjusting your items and prices based on seasonal trends or holidays to make your listings more appealing. Highlight the convenience of local meetups and safe pickup locations, or offer shipping options to reach a broader audience beyond your local area. To further enhance your sales potential, promote your items beyond the marketplace. Share your listings in buy and sell groups for more exposure. Don't hesitate to share them on your personal profile or page to catch the attention of friends and followers. Cross-listing on other platforms such as eBay or Shopee can maximize your item's visibility. Finally, keep track of your progress and look for ways to improve. Check insights regularly to see which listings get the most views and interactions. Experiment with pricing if certain items don't sell as expected, and learn from what top sellers in your niche are doing differently. So there you have it. Implement these strategies and you'll be well on your way to increasing your sales on Facebook Marketplace. Happy selling!